Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with YGWigs. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package today. So this is what we received in our package alongside our wig. And this is the wig for today. It is their 18-inch non-lace scalp tap Bodywave wig. This is it. This wig is 180% density. This is their Yaki texture. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead, click that link and make your purchase. To get any other hair from YGWigs, in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. So for this unit, you don't need any form of gel, wig caps, glue, none of that stuff is required. This unit has no lace at all. It just has the fake scalp at the top. Should be pretty easy to install. It comes with the combs in the side and one in the back as well. Should be pretty easy to install. As you can see, it has the fake scalp at the top. No lace is on this unit at all. No glue is needed, no gel is needed. What I'm about to do is to put my wig grip strap on, and then we put our wig on. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and again, because no lace is on this unit, I don't need to apply any form of foundation or anything to the scalp because it's already given realistic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and then that will be it. It's pretty simple. It's a quick 5-minute install because all you gotta do is to put your wig on and style your wig. Basically, that's it. This is it. It is your Yaki texture. It's 180% density, and this is it. I literally love the texture of this unit. It feels just like my natural hair. It is so coarse, but it's still soft and it's not ashy, it's not frizzy. I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. Honestly, it is not giving any form of vibe right now. So we definitely got to do a little bit of work on it. It actually comes with the bang in the front. We definitely need to cut that down so we can see. But this is the unit. I'm going to fix this up so it can give what it's supposed to give. And basically this is it. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my unit. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. To get any other products from YGWigs, their website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum just to give it a little bit of silkiness and a little bit of a moisture before curling it. Just gonna apply a little bit. This is what it looks like. It's hard to focus because it's a clear bottle. so I just finished curling my wig and this is it. You can definitely see the difference in the before and after right now, but I'm still gonna go ahead and customize it a little bit better. But I love how it's coming out. I love how it's looking. I love how good it holds the curls. Actually, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my unit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Turned out super cute. The hair is super fluffy, super thick, and I just love the texture of it. This is how it turned out. It holds the curls so good. I am seriously amazed. I just love how they turned out. This is it. How this unit turned out. This is it. I love this turnout. I love how this is looking. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from YGWigs. This is their 18-inch non-lace scalp top bodywave wig. It's their Yaki texture. It's 180% density, and I totally love this unit. I love how it turned out. It's super thick, super fluffy. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. Super thick. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.